Hey guys, Richard here. So I thought I would do a garage video because I haven't done one in a little while. It's just me and Jack out here. Jack's eating on his favorite little plant so he can go in the house and throw it up. I don't know what it is about that plant, but I can't keep him away from it. So he only gets to visit out here for a couple of minutes, then I shoo him inside. So we'll let him prowl around for another minute or two. Yeah, so what's happening? Emma, camera girl. Good thing she doesn't watch these videos. Emma, my daughter, is the camera person. She's not here today. She's not just my camera person. Oh my goodness, she does a lot of the bike maintenance. She does a lot of the assembly out here. She does a lot of things. Got to give her a day off now and then. Well, there goes my neighbor. Looks like he's getting ready to cut his grass again, so perfect timing, I guess, huh? So the last couple of times I've been out here trying to make a video, there's been all kinds of chaos going on in the neighborhood. Hey, did you check out the new rack that we just released? Haven't released a video, but we do have it on the website. This is the 3670, guys. So for those of you who have larger trikes that are wider, longer, that sort of thing, 3670 is going to fit the need of most people. And we don't have a attached ramp that that has to stand up when you're going down the road. It's got 3 detachable ramps, and they store right there in the back. So make sure you go and check it out. So we just got that out on pre-order where they're been manufacturing. We started manufacturing in June, and man, they're supposed to be done by November, but not sure yet. Our other rack, the 3475 rack that we've been selling now for a while, that's the one we came out with for the Meet One tour, that sort of thing. Man, that guy, we've had a significant delay, and we are not happy about it. We're pretty disgusted with it, actually. There's just things out of our control. No matter how angry you get and how frustrated you are, sometimes there's just no way around it, right? And no amount of yelling or getting upset and jumping up and down is going to fix anything, so there's no need in doing that. But yeah, that's about a month and a half late, so for people who purchased that. It just left the factory a couple of days ago, so it's en route, but it was supposed to be in stock. Originally, the plan was to have it in stock next week, so we could start shipping it to people, and it just left the factory, so it's going to be another 45 days before we get it in the house. Jack, you're done, buddy. He knows when he's done. Get on in there. So yeah, we're pretty upset about that. Hey, you know what, we've got, well, you can't see it, I've got a battery that was delivered, and I have no idea what it's for. We've had it for a couple of weeks now, and I seriously, I don't know what the battery's for. Yes, we cleaned some stuff out. We got some stuff over into our storage unit and tried to make some more room in here because we were literally starting to trip, and it was just such a hazard trying to get in here and do things. So we had to make some space. And so we did that, but it's a good thing because we're about to get stupid busy around here. So this is an Ingway. This is the E26 3.0 model, so appreciate Ingway for sending that to us. We just got it yesterday. Going to try to get that assembled today, this afternoon. But here's the deal. We've got, I think, 3 more. We just got this trike in about a week or so ago, and we still got to do the video on that. Sharp little trike. But we've got 3 trikes that are inbound, shipped and on their way. And we've got another, I think, 2 bikes that have shipped already. We've got a couple of things that we've already signed an agreement with that's going to be coming a little bit later after that. So we're about to get crazy busy in here. But, we enjoy what we do. We're blessed. We realize how blessed we are to get to do this sort of thing. So, but yeah, craziness. Have you seen, well, no, you haven't seen the video because we haven't released a video on this guy right here. Let me move these straps out of the way. We were making some videos yesterday. But the Narak N8 is a new model by Narak. We had the original Narak, the S180, and we advertised it or promoted it as a good budget-friendly bike. It was one of the lower-priced bikes, but for what you pay and what you get, it was a good value, we thought. And it did okay. It was a pretty good trike. But they've stepped up their game a lot with this one. And this guy right here, first of all, it just looks amazing. You notice that seat? That's got 2 seat posts. That banana style seat, and you can still adjust it. Well, you can't adjust the seat. You can adjust the seat up and down, but the backrest right here slides on these rails, so the backrest slides back and forth a lot. So it makes it really cool. And it's just a sharp looking bike with these fat tires, nice large basket with that style seat going on back here. I just love the way this trike looks. In fact, this is probably one of the best looking trikes I think I've seen. It's just, this one just appeals to me a lot. Even these butterfly handlebars, I don't care for the butterfly handlebar too much. We had one on another trike that I didn't care for, and I'm not really sure what the differences was, but I just didn't like it. This one, it works. It just works with the style of this trike. It's comfortable to use, and I like it. And the handlebar stem, you can raise and lower it real easy. It's just got a clamp down there, you loosen it, you can raise and lower it, and it telescopes also, so you can really find a comfortable position on this bike. So super nice bike. There are some drawbacks. It's a cadence sensor only. Motor is a little bit noisy. But I mean, really, that's just the two big things, I guess, that I don't care for so much. But super nice other than that. And I've already consulted with him quite a bit and said, look, you got an awesome trike here. Just looks awesome. It just needs to perform awesome now, so please consider putting the torque sensor in these things. Oh, and definitely a bigger battery. It's only got a 13 amp hour battery, so that's a huge drawback. But they did it because they're trying to keep the price low, because they want to be the lowest price trike dealer out there, I guess. I don't know. Or manufacturer, rather. But trikes need to have a 20 amp hour battery, you know, because they just, yeah, you just need it. You need it on a trike. So I hope they will come out with a version 2 and take me up on some of those changes, but it's super nice. Even these wheelie bars got these little plunger type, what are those called? The plunger pins. You just pull it out so you can take the wheelie bars in and out. You can adjust them or take them completely off, real simple and easy with no tools. So just a lot of little things about this thing that's just super nice. Let's see, what else we got going on here? There's nothing new other than that. I think we still have a video or two we got to do for the Aventon Level 4, which is a really nice commuter style bike. We've already released that video, or at least I think Emma published it. I don't know, maybe I need to go check. I think she did, but it's a really nice commuter style bike. I'm still enjoying the Hemiway. Got a little, some disappointments with Hemiway, but you know, they saw my original video where I was commenting about it being only a 15 amp hour battery, because I use my bike a lot and go long distances on longer rides and stuff. And they reached out to me and said, hey, well, we have a 20 amp hour battery, and it has a second battery for this thing, and when we get them in stock, we'll send one to you. And I was like, oh man, that is amazing, thank you. And then they got them in stock, and then they said they weren't going to send one to me. Like, what the heck? Dangle the carrot in front of my face, and then I can't complain. Look at all this stuff in here. Let's see, the mock wheel. Really nice mock wheel. Super nice. Rides very, very well. We've been real happy with that. And I offered it to Amanda's boyfriend, because he's part of the family now. He's been around for a while. He's a great guy. We really like him. Offered it to him. Never really heard back. I guess he liked it when he came over and test rode it. He never gave me the feedback, really, so I don't know. Strange there. Let's see, what else got the pair. We damaged the pair recently, pushing it up one of our own e-bike or e-trike racks. Yeah, it just can't handle the weight going up a hill by pushing on it right here, which is what we were doing. Oh my goodness. And I just really jacked up the hinge, pulled the hinge out of the backrest right here and pulled it out of the seat there, and so the whole thing is all wonky junk, but we got another one of those coming. So yeah, look, I still have the Narak bike box because I haven't gotten rid of it yet. I've got to go to the dump after I get this one out. They no longer pick up the boxes like this. The trash people don't. So all right, let's see what else is going on here. That's kind of like a quick update there. Anything going on over here I need to talk about? I don't think so. Oh, we gotta store our batteries now. That's why there's batteries over there and batteries over here, because our storage unit explicitly does not allow us to have lithium batteries in our storage unit. So when we take something over there, we got to take the battery and bring it home again. So that's a bummer. That's a bummer. Yeah, let's see. Tools, let's see. Made a video yesterday about how to weigh your trike with a bathroom scale, so I made that video. That should be out there. Well, actually, it's out there on the website already. I don't know if we'll post it live on YouTube, but it's out on the website. Yeah, trash I got to take care of here. Got a no soliciting private property sign. That helped. That has actually helped for these salesmen. Salesmen around here have been getting out of control. Just getting out of control. Let's see, guys. I guess that's going to be it, though. Yeah, I guess that's it. Because I need to get this out and make a video with it. Then I need to come back and start putting this thing together. And it's going to be a long day because I got a lot of other things in between I got to get taken care of too. So, let me know what's going on with you. What are you guys riding? Where are you riding? Are you enjoying the dog days of summer? It's actually kind of mild out here today. I'm kind of worried. I'm not sure why it's so mild, but it's mild temperature and I'm enjoying it. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. Give me a like, comment down below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Send me money if you want. Gifts. Yeah. See you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe.